Hi guys, today we are making lemony garlic fettuccine noodles. This is a very quick and easy recipe. You can make it for lunch or dinner, so it won't take up too much of your time, and let's get right into the recipe. So here I have 300 grams of fettuccine. You can use any kind of noodle really. I've split them in half and we're just going to boil them according to the directions on whatever pasta package you have. And I'm just going to start with my skillet on medium high. Into this I'm adding 1 tablespoon oil and 2 tablespoons butter. Once that starts to melt, add in 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, one tablespoon chili flakes, and 1 pound of raw shrimp. And to taste, I'm adding in 1 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon black pepper. We're just gonna let this fry. It's gonna take about 6 minutes. Once they've fried up nicely, start adding in your pasta directly from the water. So don't drain the water out of your pasta. It will help keep it nice and soft. And just take the tongs and start adding it directly in. Now we're going to add in 1.5 tablespoons of lemon juice and 1.5 tablespoons of fresh lime juice, along with 2 tablespoons of butter, 1/4 cup cilantro, 1/4 cup fresh parsley, and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar as well, which I forgot to show you on here. And we're just going to fry this on medium-low heat for a couple of minutes, and then we're going to add in 1/4 cup of Italian blend cheese. Just mix that around until it is all melted, and this is the end result. It is so delicious. You have to try this recipe, and please let me know in the comments what you think of it. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.